Hey guys, welcome back for another update here on YouTube. I will show you the views first here because I cannot be recording looking at this side because you only see a shadow, a shadow of me. But I wanted to show you the views here because this is this morning. This place is gorgeous. Like you can see all the islands in the background, and the sea level is very high. And it's just absolutely gorgeous here today, and there's no one actually. It's very quiet. Usually there's a lot of people here. So with this set, let's get down to business. I'm just gonna sit here. I got my bicycle here and I was looking for a nice place to make the video. The only thing is I forgot my microphone. I got my selfie stick and the tripod and everything, but I forgot my mic, so I hope the sound is okay. So let's talk about the price of Bitcoin and crypto in general. So we had this big drop, and by the way guys, I didn't check the price before I left home this morning, but last time I checked was last night. And well, this week we had a very long red candle. I think it bottomed. Oh, last time I checked, the lowest it went, it was a little bit lower than $8,000. So mainly what I wanted to comment in this video is that I think I see the sentiment going like way too negative, which makes me positive. But there's also this descending triangle that we've been monitoring for some time, and I mean you cannot ignore that. If you look at the triangle on the daily candles, you can see there was a break. The moment of breaking down support, there was also a spike of volume on the daily candle. So it could be a breakdown, and if it's actually a breakdown and it's not a fake out, this descending triangle has pretty low targets. So we could actually be going pretty low unless this is a fake out. And to tell you the truth guys, there's sometimes that I can give like higher probability to one thing than another. Sometimes I can say, okay, I'm 75% sure or confident that we're gonna bounce here, or I'm 60% confident that we're gonna drop down, and 40% that we're gonna go sideways and things like that. This time I'm not, I don't have such a high, probability level. But what I wanted to comment on this video is that you have to be constantly reading the probabilities. So, for example, market sentiment is very negative, so you should be positive. But then, in the other hand, we do have a descending triangle with low targets. So you always have to be, reading and balancing and reading the probabilities, really. So in this case, my personal reading, I would say 50-50 that we reverse and go up from 8,000, or 50 that we drop to 7,000 and then we bounce at 7,000. I would be 50-50 for these two, but I am more okay. Even if we do drop to 7,000, more or less, I think we're bouncing there more probable than continue to drop lower. Which means the target for the descending triangle is a lot lower than 7,000 actually, if we were to make the target. But there's very significant and very strong support, the area of 7,000, between 7,000 and 7,200, and I do give more probability that will hold more likely than not continue to go lower, to the 6,000 levels or even lower targets, like other people are saying. So I would say I'm 50-50 whether we bounce at 8,000 or maybe drop to 7,000, but I'm 60-40 in that whether we bounce at 8,000 or at 7,000, I think we're gonna bounce in one of these two. I give this 60% chance, and 40% that we drop lower to make the target for the descending triangle. So that's my quick forecast. Another thing, I'm gonna try my best to stick to one video per week on YouTube. I have been very, very busy, even overwhelmed with other stuff in life. But I still, of course, check the price of Bitcoin and crypto. I still check every single day. This is my main thing, really. Bitcoin and crypto is my main priority. But if the price goes sideways, I use my time and energy in other projects as well, trying to exercise as well, and and keeping up with social life as well, and many other things that I have going on. So I'm gonna try my best to make videos once a week for YouTube, and this will be on Tuesdays. So I was saying once a week, and this will be on Tuesdays. Today is Monday for me here, so next video it'll be in 1 week and 1 day. So I'll try my best to do every Tuesday, just so that I can organize my schedule, for the rest of things. I am also getting a lot of these. I set up this new thing, which is private consulting. And there's two options, the video call or the emergency text on Telegram. And lately I'm getting a lot of emergency texts. I'm not sure if it's because I'm not that much on YouTube and people really wants to know, or maybe it's because we had this vertical drop and people are freaking out and they just want to, they just want my opinion for this specific case. I don't know, but it takes me it takes me time as well to attend these texts, because it's not just that people send me a text and I answer. No, they have to answer private questions first regarding their finances and some aspects of their private life, so that I can give the best personalized advice for each individual case. So it takes me time. It takes me at least 2 hours to study each person case before I actually, before I open my mouth to give any advice to anyone, because I take each case, seriously, and I'm very careful with what I say. So yeah, that takes me a lot of time as well. So that's why I haven't been having that much time to be on YouTube, and that's why I'm gonna try to schedule just 1 week, one video per week on YouTube, which will be on Tuesdays. Okay, guys. So that's the quick update. I hope it was helpful. And yep, I'll leave it here. I'll see you very soon. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye.